When the rain started coming, we had no idea. The electricity went off, and we gathered around our table. Neighbors started sending us pictures of what was going on down by the river, our river, down at Olivet, what we were feeling and seeing. We knew that this was a bad flood, worse than what we had ever seen before. Yet, the next day, the sun rose and the community gathered. They gathered to help us get out of on the road. Everybody was there showing up. Our farm had flooded and it needed help. And we got together and helped our farmers and collected as much food as we can, supporting it for ourselves and our community. Then, a few days later, we ventured out. And what we saw was unbelievable destruction. Yet, we also saw so much kindness, so much love. People were picking through the parts and finding little things to gather together, placing out food for whoever might walk by. And for me, the thing I remember the most is the love of people.